Hi everybody, my name is Alvaro Silva, and today I'm going to show you and explain you what I did in my second sprint of senior project. As I said in the previous video from the previous sprint, this semester we are going to implement the multiplayer mode for SkillCourt. So this week we discussed with the owner what he wanted to do. We had some proposals for him. He accepted some of them. We are going to create a multiplayer mode. Right now I'm going to show you the UI. This is the UI where it's gonna be displaying the picture of the two players playing, the names, the timer, and the green and red hit for each player. Right now this is gonna be a UI for just one phone. Then we are going to implement it for two phones, but right now we are going to use one phone for two fields. We are going to attack this problem by using we'll talk about the definition of event. The event is gonna be a situation where we are going to have a queue of people that are going to be playing. As you can see, you're going to use just two players at the same time. That's why we are going to have a queue of people waiting. The winner is going to stay, and the loser is going to leave the court, and then we are going to send the next player from the queue. Also, during this week, we were trying to figure out why when we added some new users to the game, they start crashing. We found that the problem was that the new users registering were not added to the database, and that was a problem with the role. If you don't have the previous semester implemented that if you don't have a role, you don't need to have to be in the database. But when you register, you don't have role. So we attack this problem that giving a role for a default role as player for registration, and we solved it. Finally, as you can see in this UI, it's good to mention that it's gonna be two players right now, but we are going to make it for maximum 4 players. We are going to add more image, we are going to add more player information over here. The information that we are going to acquire are going to come from two sources. It's gonna be Facebook or just from another picture, but the Facebook authentication is gonna be my friend, my other classmate and teammate is going to explain you how he implemented the Facebook authentication for this application. From that we are going to take the name and the picture. That's basically. So thank you very much. This is what I did in my last sprint.